Did you guys hear that? Okay. We appreciate you for ringing the bell. But can you come into this room with us? We have a REM pod set up in the middle. The red light. You just go up near the antenna and you touch it. You go around it. It'll just let us know you're here. We would really appreciate that. They said he's spamming the bell. Okay, hold on. I want to leave the REM pod. Oh, the temperature's changing. You see that red light?
Yeah, what's that mean?
It's gonna start like beeping. That means like it just felt a temperature change in the house. Did we turn the AC on? That means temperature. That means temperature. That's like that always happens, but a lot of people say that like when it gets cold in a room, like that's when
the spirit's there.
Exactly. So if you just walked into the room, can you go up to that red dot? The red light. It will not harm you. It'll just let us know that you're here. You did it earlier. If you don't want to, it's okay.
What if it feels like trapped because Drew's right there? Drew, come over here. Drew, come over here.
Okay, watch this. Listen. Oh! That's not Drew. That's not Drew. As soon as you moved.
Move.
Drew, you see, look, because he stayed in the same spot. Do you notice that? Holy shit. Dog, you know how crazy that is? And notice? Chat, notice the bell stopped.
Go back into the kitchen and ring the bell.
Give it a sec. Okay, so just so you know, like, temperature.
The temperature.
Yeah.
It could have just left the room.
Okay. So look, like I said, it takes time. Give it a second. Like you asking it to go to the kitchen to ring the bell, you got to give it a sec. It's not going to be instant. Sometimes it's instant, sometimes it takes time. If you walked out of the room, can you go up to the bell that we set up in the living room and just make that go off?